Service today, wienerschnitzel. Got some lights and outlets to do. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna switch out these two GF5s right here. This guy and this guy down here. We got the power off. A39. Panel A39 off. Alright guys, so we're gonna trim these back a little bit more. A lot of people just like to stab them in like that. Not here guys, we like to twist them in. So we're gonna get these cut back a little bit more. Boom. Got the little holes in your wire cutters. I'm gonna give these guys a nice little twist. Nice little twist. So you get a better contact, guys, better hold. Yes, sir. New guy. What up? New guy right here. Ground. So when you put this on there, you're going to want to turn it so it goes on clockwise. So when you twist it, you tighten it. It tightens it with it. Boom. I'm going to give it clockwise. Tighten it on up. Same thing. Know your sides. You got line on the bottom, load on top. So we're gonna put the power right here, the hots. Alright. You're always gonna put hot to cold. Then white to silver. Boom. Alright, so we got both new GFIs on right here. Yes, sir. Wired correctly. Same thing with this guy. Connected, wired correctly. Now it's time to put it back together. Alright, we got the outlets back in. Turn on the breakers. Now, time to test it. Boom. See that? Yes, sir. Now this guy. Boom. Fixed. Alright, now we got a couple 2x2 ceiling LED lights panels to replace this guy. And looks like this guy right here as well. All right. Alright guys, so we're gonna unscrew these guys right here. We're gonna turn off the power, unwire those guys, take this guy out, put in the new one. We already got the other one fixed over there. Alright, let's replace this guy. Alright, we got the old one out. Time to put in the new one. Alright guys, got it wired up again, you know what I'm saying? About to tuck it away, put the lid on top, and we're good. And let there be light. Yes sir. Alright, we got the pendant light down. Old guy. The new guy right here. Boom, there's a new light, the new pendant. LED circled light. Yes sir, yes sir. Alright guys, so that's it for that service call right here. Wiener Schnitzel, you dig? Just got done changing out 2 of those 2x2 ceiling lights, and then also that pendant light, that circled one, and then those 2 outlets, the GFCIs, you dig, know what I'm saying? Everything's working, y'all saw it, yes sir. Alright guys, I'm about to get about here now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo!